Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you guys how I got this cute, sleek side part and easy low twisted bun, and I'm going to show you how I sleek my edges. This is a cute style for any occasion. And also the foundation that I'm wearing is this foundation. I have the review on it, so please check it out, as well as my previous get ready with me videos. These videos are super cute and I did work hard on these, so please check them out, like them, and comment. And I also have some previous hairstyles with straight hair as well as wig tutorials, so check these out please. So I'm starting off with stretched hair. I'm using the Shea Moisture Black Castor Oil Conditioner. This is just for my ends and basically my roots too, but I'm using this product because it adds moisture to my hair, and of course when you're styling your hair and it's dry, it breaks off, so to avoid that, use a moisturizing product or conditioner. Okay, so I'm starting on the side part. I chose this side because my edges are kind of sparse on this side and they kind of come down low. So always choose the side where you can actually like lay your edges. And if you need some edge filler, they do sell it at the local beauty supply stores. Depending on the color of your hair, they have dark and then they have brown. And my hand is kind of still handicapped, so it's hard for me to open. And it's still kind of hard for me to make a part down the back side so that my hair can swoop down to the side. But I feel like if you're seeing that jagged line, you're too close to my head anyway, Don't nobody need to be that far on my head. You doing too much if you all the way up there to the crown. What, you about to bless me? You about to anoint me or something? No, you too close, boo. You're too close. You're making it hard for me. That's what you're doing. Okay, so I'm starting off with this blue Ecostyle gel, and I apologize for the lighting. The sun was going down, so it's very annoying. So I'm just starting with sleeking a few of the side pieces because this is going to help with very thick hair to get it to really sleek down. And then I forgot that I need to actually start in the back of my head. Yeah, I'm very extra, so I had to cut down this video because this video would have been 30 minutes long if I would have used the original audio. So yeah, I'm just sleeking the back down, and I like to use a ragtail comb just for the beginning sleeking stages, and then I like to use this Denman brush. This brush gets all of your hair follicles. And then I'm using this, actually this is a headband scrunchie, and I just doubled it so that it can be like really sturdy. And I don't like the ones with the wire bands because that causes breakage. So yeah, so now I'm at the top and I'm just going with the gel. I'm also using the argan oil gel from Softee. It was $1. And I'm just using these two gels just to sleek down my hair. And what I like about these gels is that they are not toxic. They don't have those harsh alcohols that are in a lot of the other Ecostyle gels. So yeah, I just want to note that out. And so I like to use this comb, like I said, to sleek down my edges, but I'm going to use another rat tail. Well, it's like a edge brush as well for my actual edges. So, and this is a kind of a long process if you have like really kinky coily hair, because you have to go section by section to kind of get a good sleek flat part. So yeah. And also this gel is actually blue, but it does not dry blue, it dries clear, so you don't have to worry about that, and it does not flake either, so that's a plus. And another brush that I used to use back in the day, and even like last year, I used to use like a boy brush. It's like a really hard bristle brush and it's really thick. The guys use it to create waves, but I didn't have it right now, or else I would use that brush directly after I use this dimming brush. But you know, if I would definitely recommend you guys to get a hard bristle brush, because those brushes give you life. Like your edges would be laid. So just to lay my edges, I'm just swooping them. I just decided to do 2 swoops because I did a pretty low part on the side, so I really didn't have that much, you know, edges to work with anyway. So yeah. And then before I tie my scarf down, I use the even edge control. So this is how I tie my scarf. Well, I didn't show you guys how, but I mean, I just wrapped it around twice, and I made it extra tight. Like it's super tight. Now you might get a headache from it, but it's worth it. But if it is, just kind of loosen it up. But you just want to make sure that it lays really flat so that there won't be any bumps in your hair. Okay, so this is how it looks. I've taken my scarf off. Ew, it's just on fleek. This is my favorite heat protecting spray slash sheen spray in general. It's amazing. Just for a little shine up in here. Alright, so I have this here. Now I need to kind of wet my hair a little bit. I'm gonna put the Cantu leave-in. This is my favorite leave-in conditioner, so I'm gonna use this. Okay, so for the twisted bun, it's really easy. You just obviously put the conditioner on the edges and then do 3 or 4 twists. If your hair is really thick, you can get away with doing 2. But if it's kind of thinner, then I would just stretch it to like 3, well actually 4 twists, because it gives the illusion that your hair is thicker than what it really is. And some of you guys, if your hair is really short, you can actually go to the beauty supply store and they sell these same types of buns. It's like a 1-unit bun. You know, it's kind of like a braided bun, and you don't have to worry about doing any twists. But I just wanted to do this with my natural hair just to, you know, give my hair a break. And my hair is thick enough, so yeah, that's just kind of what I do. And I like to use hairpins instead of bobby pins, because hairpins actually give you more space. They're open-ended, so I just, you know, pin my hair down and I just twirl to the side. Now the thing is about this, I kind of messed up. I feel like I should have done like, you know, like this one right here is going down to the right. Well, I feel like I should have done this one in the back towards the opposite end, but it just depends. It kind of looks like a bun anyway at the end of the day, either way that it goes. Like how I'm twisting this one the opposite direction, either way it's gonna look like you have just a big bun, so it's fine. So I just kind of just twisted it to do whatever. So also you can use like little studs in your hair. They have the gold studs and then they have the silver ones if you want to do that. Or if you're doing this style on your children, you could use the different color stud. They have them, they're just clip in, and they have them at the local beauty supply stores. Or if this is a bridal look, you can use like the hairpins with the diamonds on the end, you know, just for a little cute luxe look. And that's basically it for this sleeking part. I'm just showing you guys what it should look like. You know, you see there's no flaking and sleek edges. This was really instrumental in getting my edges laid. This little brush, you can get it from a beauty supply store. Brush slash comb. And so I just kind of, you know, do it. And if you want to, put some more spray on it. And also this coconut milk, girl, this coconut milk is really good too for sheen, but you don't want to soften it too much. I wasted some on a bottle. You don't want it to be like, put oil on it, because it's gonna make it soft. I like mine too. Okay, but yeah, so that's it on that. Really quick and simple. But that's why I use this edge control, because it holds it in place. And then I try not to slide my scarf on my head. So yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. And I'll see you guys in my next video. I do have a giveaway. Actually, like 2 giveaways. But check out my previous video for the giveaway. Or if it's not this video, it'll be the next video.